Welcome to our quick start video. It doesn't matter if you've been doing this for years or just getting started. In just a couple minutes, I'm going to show you how to post to social media like an expert. Be sure to stick around until the end. I've got a couple tips to completely automate your social media marketing. First thing you want to do is click the down arrow. Select Add Account and add all your social media profiles. Next, jump into the schedule. And on the right side, make sure we have all the categories, the different types of posts that you're going to be sending so you can tag every single post. The next step in your schedule is to just make sure all of the times we have in the schedule are correct. Each one of these times represents a post that we are going to send out on your behalf. To edit it, just click here. The way it works is, if we have a post in the queue that matches any of these criteria, if they were tagged with any of these categories, and if they were sent to these social media networks, we're going to send to those social media networks at 8 o'clock on Monday. So be sure to go through all of these. If you want to change or delete any, you can drag it and move it or delete it. What this means is on Monday, you're going to have 4 posts go out as long as you have 4 posts in the queue. The next step is to actually publish. So let's click on the Publish tab, select your social networks, and start typing. As soon as you add your first link, it's going to automatically go out and pull in the images from that URL. So you can see on the right, there's a preview of all of the different social networks. Make sure it looks good. If you want to make any edits, all you have to do is just click within the box. Notice you can bold, italicize, you can add emoji or even hashtag groups. And add a video to your post, just click the YouTube video icon. Next step is to select a category, and you can even requeue, which is our first tip. When you click requeue, it's going to automatically repost this content forever, unless you select some of these different options. You can have it auto expire after a certain number of requeues or until a certain date is reached. So only use this feature if you have evergreen content that makes sense to post even months from now. From here, I can add this to the queue and it will automatically go out during my scheduled times, or I can save it as a draft. I can post it at an optimal time, or we can schedule it for a specific time, or even publish it immediately. Next, I want to get to our second tip, the RSS feed. This is a way to go to take any blog, any YouTube channel, even a Bing search, grab the RSS feed URL, and anytime that blog adds any additional content, it's going to automatically post it. All you do is post that RSS feed here, select your settings, and then add the feed. We take care of the rest. You can also import. If you want to create 100 posts in a spreadsheet, download our sample spreadsheet, create your posts, and then import it here based on these settings. We will automatically populate your queue. Enjoy using the software. Don't forget to check the help file if you have any questions or reach out to our team. Thank you.